Want to know how to view your past shared stories on Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to see Story Archive on Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Now tap on Settings and Privacy at the bottom. Then tap on Settings. Scroll down. Then tap on Activity Log. Tap on Archive at the top. Now tap on Story Archive at the top left. Here you can view all your past shared stories. And this is how to see Story Archived on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.